Hi, my name is Katiraee, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to use GIFs inside of Dubsado, specifically in forms and canned emails. So let's get started. To add GIFs to your canned emails, there's two different ways, right? If you're using a GIF that you've created, or if you're using a GIF from Giphy. So you're going to find the email where you want to insert the GIF. So I'm just going to use a welcome email. So once you're in the email where you want to insert the GIF, if you're using a GIF that you've created that's on your computer, basically you're just going to go to formatting options, insert image, and drop the file there. That's what that would be like. So if you want to use a GIF from Giphy, you're just going to go to the site. You're going to search for the GIF that you want to use. You know, they have a lot of different search options. So you can search by, if it's from a show or, what you're trying to convey, like welcome or yay or whatever. Search for that. Let's say I wanted to use, I love Ted Lasso. So if you wanted to use this, basically you're just going to click share and you're just going to copy the link to this GIF. And now you're going to come back to Dubsado, go to formatting options again, click insert image, but this time you're going to do it by URL. So now you're going to insert this URL and hit insert. Boom. Okay, and you can make it larger, however you want. You can test sending it out to yourself, in a project, selecting this canned email from the list and just to see what it looks like, if you're receiving it as a client. But this is how you would insert a GIF that you've made or that's on your computer and a GIF from Giphy, okay, in canned emails. Now let's do the same for forms. So let's go here into this proposal template. If you need this proposal template, you can go to my website and download it. So in this form, you can add GIFs in a lot of different places. You can use them to just replace images that you have. You can add them in the background of your containers. You can use them to replace down here like icons, for instance. So there's a lot of different applications. I'm just going to replace several of these, and then I'm also going to show you how to insert a GIF from Giphy. So if I wanted to replace this image with a GIF, you're basically just going to drop that file here, and you can replace it here, okay? If you wanted to use it as a background, you're just going to come here, click the background of the container, add the file here, and just click that. And then you can see that you can play with the image opacity. You can also play around with the padding of the container if you want to display more or less of the video, like that. Even up here, you can, let me move myself over. In this one, you can change the scale. You can change, the dimensions of the container to make the image larger, smaller. Just make sure that you're previewing, because keep in mind that how it looks in this form is going to look different than when you preview. It's also going to look different on mobile. So there's a lot of different things to consider. And the final place that, like I said, icons is another one. So this is an icon that I created in Canva. So I created a version with animation. So I'm just going to insert that one here. So you can see that when you create GIFs in Canva, they don't have transparent backgrounds. So I could have added this color to the GIF when I created it. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and reset this color so that blends right in. So I'm just going to save this in preview to show you what this all looks like. Okay, so that's what that looks like. This is what this background looks like, and this is what the icon looks like. So let's say you wanted to embed a GIF from Giphy. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's say you wanted to insert it right here. You're going to scroll down and grab this HTML block right here. Let's do it there, okay? And now you're going to go back here. This is the GIF that we used in the email, but now you're going to click embed, okay? And you're going to copy this embed code, and you're just going to come here and do that. So the first thing that you're going to do here is you're going to remove the word that says via Giphy. If people hover, they can see that this is a Giphy GIF, right? The next thing that you're going to do, if you wanted to center this GIF, is you're just going to type in the following. Okay, and then at the very bottom, you're just going to do this. If you wanted to do, you can do right, you can do left, and you can do center. Okay. Okay, so this is how you would insert a Giphy GIF into your Dubsado forums. And then, I showed you earlier how to add, a GIF that looks like a video in a background of a container, an image, or replace icons. There's so many different options, and this is a nice element to add to your forums. It adds a bit of fun. You can create branded GIFs for your business and add them in here. There's a lot of options, so have fun with it. And I'll see you in the next video.